There's the RV. Yeah, maybe these tracks aren't used anymore.
But they probably are.
So the safest thing to do is just walk to the center. Let's be safe.
I don't think there's anything safe about anything we're doing right now, but might not be used anymore. There's shit going on.
No, look at that. It turns into a trail. So I guess that's why the tires were so janky on the bridge.
Maybe.
Oh yeah, I could bike this. It'll be a little bumpy back there.
Your bike is not made. Oh,
Dasher, what are you doing? What are you doing to me? Oh, you want a hug? Oh. Dear. Well, let's follow it all the way to the train gate.